Hey guys, look what we've received. We received our lemonade stand from Crayons and 5 boxes of tickled pink lemonade.
Wow.
What do you think? Is now a good time to build this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is open up the lemonade stand. And we want to be really careful so we don't cut ourselves or any of the contents. It's really easy. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. Wow.
What are those things?
Well, this is a set of instructions, and I'll hang on to those, okay? And then it looks like we've got some Crayons Pink Lemonade stickers. Who wants to hold those?
I will.
And then we've got, wow, all balloons and stuff to decorate it with. Honey, you want to help? We'll blow those up in just a second.
Sweet.
Now, what I think the first thing we want to do is take all these pieces and separate them so that we know what we've got here. So you guys want to help me do that? Okay, so the first thing we want to do is take out the largest piece, which is this one. Okay, we want to unfold it so it looks like this. Okay, so let's go ahead all together and we want to get it up. Oh, beautiful, guys, and we'll put this right on the bottom. Wait, turn it to your left, Mel. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. All right, so we want it just like that. Then we want to fold the smaller flaps in, which are these. So let's put those in first. Okay, that's perfect. And Shalane, why don't you put yours in? And then flip this one, the bigger one in, Connor, and then Shalane. And now we're ready for a couple of pieces of tape. And here in the middle. And one right here. All right, and then we set it up like this. Okay, now we need to unfold the 2 post holders, which are them. So why don't you guys each grab one, unfold them, and bring them back to the Crayons lemonade base. That's great. That one goes on that side. Goes on that side. There we go. Boy, that's looking great, guys. Okay, we're now ready to insert the 2 pieces of the base support in the form of an X. So I think it's those 2 pieces over there. And one has to be flat, like this. Okay. And the other one, okay, you got that, Shalane? Okay, this one is going to go right into that. Connie, will you help me? Okay, let's guide it right in. Wow, that works great. Let's insert this base support into the base, and this looks like it might be the trickiest part of the whole thing. So I'm going to help you if you guys will bring this over here. You hold those? Okay, so let's figure out how this goes in. Looks like we fold that in, and lo and behold, we have a strong, solid base top. Okay, now we're ready to build the posts for the stands. The first thing we have to do is unfold the posts. Shalane, can you do that? There you go, flatten it out. And let's separate them both. And then now that we've unfolded them, we need to roll them. So why don't you come over here, Shalane, and Connor over here. We'll roll them together. Okay. Okay, ready? Let's roll, and roll, and roll, and roll. And roll it together down. Okay, so let's lift it up together, and we don't even need to tape it. Okay, all right, so why don't we put it in this one first? Okay, so now we just put this in the base. We don't need any tape. Here's the perforation, and we just need to work it in. Connor, good job separating it. This slides right in, and boom. Now we just need to do the same thing for the other post. Okay, now we're ready to do the lemonade stand top. And given how tall the stand is, it probably makes sense that Mom and Dad do this together, okay? So will you hold the instructions? And then when we get this together, you can help us tape it. How's that? So we put the little flaps in, we put this one over it, and then we're gonna need to cut about three or four pieces of tape. Here's the long way. Another one over here, Mel. Okay, and one more right here. Okay, so now all we do is slide that on. Mel, can you get that side? And okay, now I think we're ready to decorate our stand with all the neat things that we received from the Crayons Beverage Company.
Sweet!
Go ahead and grab them.
Rolling.
Okay, now I think we're ready to decorate our stand with all the neat things that we received from the Crayons Beverage Company.
Sweet!
Go ahead and grab them.